Hi, I'm Yurin and today we're going to talk about how to use retinol. First, avoid using other actives such as BHA, AHA, vitamin C, benzoyl peroxide until your skin got adjusted. Make sure you have sunscreen, a gentle cleanser, and a moisturizer. Wait 5 minutes after cleanser to make sure your face is really dry. Then, after application, wait another 5 to 10 more minutes to make sure it is dry before applying moisturizer. Only use once at night every 3 days. Only a pea size for your whole face. Divide that one pea size into 5 dots: forehead, cheeks, nose, chin. So there should be enough for 5 areas. Then spread all the dots quickly. Continue doing that for a month. Don't rush to apply tretinoid every day because the sensitivity won't show up until it is in your 3rd week. By then, damage done. Once you build up your tolerance, you can try applying it once every 2 days at night. Watch my other videos for more. Thank you.